Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's Soysouda. Today's video I'll be making pork meatballs. These pork meatballs is not hard to make. It's quite simple and easy. And these meatballs, they are great for party. It's healthy. It tastes delicious. It's all about finger foods really. It's all you need. Only few ingredients. By saying that, let's jump into it. Oh, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like or share. Thank you. 800 gram pork mince, oil spray, soft rising flour, breadcrumbs, black pepper, salt, spring onion, kaffir leaves, ginger, garlic, egg, half an onion, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and light soy sauce. For dipping sauce recipe, you need small serving bowl, sweet chili sauce, fish sauce, garlic powder, lemon juice. First step, you need to put oven on for 200 degrees. Next, I'm going to mince garlic, grate ginger, chop spring onions and onions into pork mince, and shredded kaffir leaves. Next, I'm going to mix this together. Next, you need baking tray and 1 sheet of baking paper. Now I'm going to roll meatballs. To roll meatballs, you need a bit of oil on your hands just to stop sticking to your hands. The good thing about meatball is easy to make, and also you can serve with anything you like. Steamed rice, salad, steamed vegetable. It's healthy and light meal. Now I'm going to spray them with olive oil, and then it's going to go to an oven. Okay, I'm going to place this in the oven for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to make dipping sauce while I'm waiting for the meatballs to be cooked. To make dipping sauce, you need sweet chili sauce, lemon juice, fish sauce, garlic powder. Then mix with a fork. Garnish with chopped parsley. Okay, I'm going to taste some of these now. It's beautiful. You can taste the kaffir lime leaves, garlic, and ginger, and sesame oil. Beautiful. For more recipe, I will put description below. Please don't forget to subscribe for more video. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.